Welcome back to another video by the Canadian Home Painter. In this video I just want to show you how I get rid of these tiny little air bubbles that were in my final coat of drywall compound. So when I sanded it, I didn't quite see all of the little air bubbles, but that's all right. I knew that once I primed the area, they'll stand out a bit more, and it's really not hard to fix these after you've primed. I just get a little drywall knife and I put a bit of mud on it, a bit of the compound. And then all I want to do is really get it, squeezed into the little holes. And then just make sure I get the majority of it off. There, now all it's going to require is a nice light sanding, and then what I'll do afterwards is just prime over this area. You don't need to re-prime the entire surface because it's already been primed, and if you just concentrate on just priming this area, then that'll be good. You won't see the primer through the paint, you won't see the drywall compound. You really do need to prime the area though. Don't just put the paint over top, because there is a tendency of seeing through the paint and seeing where you put a little bit of compound on, just depending on different times of day or the lighting or whatever. So that's a real easy fix if you ever run into that, where you have these little air pockets. You just go through with a little drywall knife, fill in those and let it dry, and then sand it and prime, and you're ready to paint. So thanks for watching, and make sure you like and subscribe.